In this part of the training, you are going to learn how to go into mini importation and e-commerce business, as well as utilize Facebook marketing into marketing some of these products you'll be getting from overseas for your mini importation business. And not just using Facebook marketing to market these products, you are going to learn how to cash in on Facebook ads to market anything at all, anything whatsoever, be it a physical product or be it a digital product. Now you are going to learn how to start off with mini importation business from home, from anywhere you are in the world, as long as you have an internet connection, and starting with as little as 20,000 naira from anywhere you are in Nigeria or anywhere you are in the world. Now, the good thing about mini importation business is that the moment you have mastered it, the moment you have known it, it comes second nature, and you use it to keep on making income forever. And we are talking about sweet passive income. You wouldn't even, some of my trainees, some persons that trained under me have retired from their white collar job, and some after graduating have not even bothered with seeking for white collar jobs. This is how sweet importation business could be. Now, there are some certain myths and stories relating to importing products from outside the country. Many persons have come to believe, and have always believed, that importing goods from outside the country are meant for the Almatas or the Alaba boys, or mainly for the Igbos. This is not true. Anybody can import products from abroad. Anybody can cash in on mini importation business, including you, the very person listening to these video tutorials. Now, this could well be the best training, the best thing that could happen to you this year, because the moment you master this particular business model, we have talked about a website design income streams, we have talked about fiverr business and freelancing and other stuff. Now, not everyone could have the technical skills or knowledge to go into all those business, but anyone, even my old late grandmother, would have been able to do this business. Anyone can go into mini importation business, be anywhere in the world, anywhere in Nigeria, bring in these products into the country and start selling them fast and making huge profits. Profit as much as 1,000%. A lot of things are going to be exposed to you relating to mini importation business in this particular training. And at the end of the day, you will be rejoicing and calling on me and thanking me so much for laying your hands on a training of this nature. Now, as I said, there are myths and stories relating to mini importation, and then they are all totally wrong, because as I said, anyone can go into it. The age doesn't matter, whether you are young, whether you are old, whether you are a student, whether you are a copper, a civil servant, a millionaire. No matter what you are doing, even if you're already working or you have something you are doing, you can still go into this business and cash in on the opportunities inherent there. It is so important. Now, as you read this book, let me tell you this, as you read this book, from seminars we have heard, maybe you even got this training from one of our seminars in the country, or maybe you got it through a Facebook ad. As you read this book, as you are going through the video tutorial or reading the book that came along with it, persons are already taking action. And they didn't need to start with 100,000 naira. They didn't need to start with 1,000,000 naira. You just need, say, about 20,000 naira. I know of persons that don't have money that even started with 10,000 naira, but I'm going to be showing you the different strategies. And they grew it up from 10,000 to 30, from 30 to 50, and just like that, and the business has picked up. Again, who is this business for? Or who should get into it? Now, mini importation business is for those that want a sure and passive way of making money despite the recession in the country. Now, instead of blaming the government, your family members for not providing for you, for not providing job, blaming the government for not providing job, you could create job for yourself through mini importation and e-commerce business. Now, this training is also meant for the unemployed, those who are tired and fed up with writing application letters. They have finished their 1 year NYSC program or their diploma program, but nothing is forthcoming. They have written several applications, all filled with promises, but nothing is forthcoming. Then if this is your case, this is the best thing, just what could be the best thing that will be happening to you this year. Now, this is also meant for those that are already working, but maybe they are not satisfied despite the 30,000 minimum wage. It is still not enough. Whether you are a civil servant, if you need extra cash to settle bills, to settle challenges, then this particular training is what you have been waiting for, or generally anyone interested in living a wealthy lifestyle. You want to shun poverty. You don't want to get into Yahoo or Yahoo Plus or rituals, as is very, very prevalent and common right now. This legitimate business, mini importation business, this is what you have been waiting for. Now, the fact remains that as long as you take action on what you are going to learn from this particular training, I give you my word, I guarantee this, you will not lack. You will find success. You will find success. You are not going to go wrong with getting involved in mini importation. Follow the tips in this training. Follow the tips in the book. The book and the training, they come together, and you will sure make money. Now, to tackle this particular training, we are going to be looking at it from 3 key areas. And 3 key areas, 3 key points we are going to be considering. We are going to be considering how you can get product that actually sell from the right source. It is one thing to get a product that sells, but if you get it from the wrong source, you are going to make little profit from it. Now, we are not just going to be showing you how to get the right product that are hot right now, that people are actually looking for, that the moment it's not going to be stored up in your room or in the storehouse, the moment it gets in, people are going to be rushing and looking for them, and you get them from the right source. That is the first part we are going to be looking at, how you can get this product and that sell, and how you can get it from the right source. Then we are going to be looking at effective marketing, how you can market these products, the different ways that you can market the product. We are going to be looking at the lone wolf method. We are going to be looking at cashing on or e-commerce portals like Jumia, Konga, and Dealdey. We are going to be looking at how you can use e-commerce websites, pages designed by you. We have already seen how to set up a website, so we are going to be looking at that thing. Most importantly, we are going to be looking at how you can use Facebook ads to sell this product. So I want you to pay attention to everything you are going to learn right now, because your life, your future is about to change. Just grab this particular training, and I will tell you this: take action, and it will be the best thing that has happened to you. So roll your sleeve up, switch off your social media connections. I'm talking about Facebook and WhatsApp. This is not the time for that. Pay attention to this training. Forget about Telemundo for now, or any of the soap operas, because what you're about to learn will change your life. Thank you.